I wasn't super happy with this corner. I mean, I built it and it fit up nice, but it fit up nice with that coupe tail pan, which I'm pretty sure at this point is for standard and not a master. So I just said chop it back up. Gonna make a new piece. Got a couple little angles to do. And I will be using a piece of this nasty old metal. This is actually from a 1934. It was a tail pan. I like to use the old original metal if I can to fit it back. I've had much better luck for some reason welding the old steel in as opposed to a new piece. I don't understand why it goes that way, but it does. So let's get to work on this one. Back to the tail pan. We've been working on a lot of other things. It's starting to straighten out. Still got a lot of hammer work to do. And well, kind of welded those things up. They're kind of terrible looking. But what we're going to talk about today is the finger gauge. So I've marked out some spots along here in the center, 8 inches off until we get to the end, around 4 inches. And our finger gauge is going to tell me how far out of whack we are. If you look, you know, that forms in there pretty nice. Move down here to the other end, and now we've got some air. It's not horribly bad, but it shows me what I need to round out some. So, more hammer work, more ping, 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 and the neighbors love me for all this noise. There you go. How's that for dry fit? It's not terrible. Except a little push, a little pull, a couple whack whacks, and some filing. You're ready to roll. It's not as far out of whack as it looks. It just guess this is the grinding marks. There it is, sitting on the car for now. I don't know what happened, but for some reason, the skin decided it did not want to stretch back on quite the way it came off. It came on and off 100 times, nice and easy. But as soon as I put the floors in it, for some reason, it's acting funny. I don't know. Have no answer. But I'll take it off one or two more times. There's the pan on the back of the car. You know, the corners didn't come out terrible. I can still work with those. Still gonna work those. So, on to the next portion.